Hey, oh my god. Namaskar, my name is Vinesh. In this video, we're gonna react to Nora Fatty's new music videos. So I'm not the only one here. Joining us here is my friend Gamze. So she's Turkish.
Hi, guys.
She's my friend. She's been my friend for like more than a year. Isn't it, Gamze? We've been friends. It's been a
like
year or
3
something.
years.
So we decided to just like we love Nora Fatty. You know, you love Nora, right? Also Gamze looks a little bit of Nora.
Yeah.
Her nose. I usually say like that.
I don't know.
Yeah, a
I'm
little
not make. I don't think that, but
Yeah,
people
I think like
this. I don't know. If I'm looks like no,
Yeah.
comment.
Just just put it on the comment section. Also, when it comes like Gamze, she's studying right now. Also, she does covers, dance covers and rap covers exactly of indie raps. Mostly, she's famous for doing Emiway songs. Even Emiway himself just shares her covers in his stories. So you can check out. I will just leave a link in the description of her Instagram. Go check her out. Show some love to her. Also, she just now started the YouTube channel. She does the same thing in YouTube covers and all that. Go check her channel out. She will comment. I will pin it down. Just go check it out. Show some love. So Nora, sorry, I just said your name, Nora Gamze.
Yes.
So we're gonna react to Nora Fatty songs. So when it's like Nora Fatty songs, there are many favorites of mine. Even the last song is like Nach Meri Rani. Nach Meri Rani, Nach Meri. Yeah, and besides that, Dilbar, Oh Saki Saki, all the songs are like literally the songs we can enjoy. It's something energetic songs. When it's like this song, I don't know how it's gonna be, but only one song when it's like Nora Fatty is like a little bit of sad song. Pachataoge. Bada Pachataoge, Bada Pachataoge. That's the only.
I think this song also will be like Barapati.
Yeah, I saw the teaser.
Like that.
I saw the teaser. That's what I'm saying. So, without getting much delay, let's dive into the react. I mean, we're gonna get into the name of the song is called Chor Denge, which means believe. Eventually will leave. Chor Denge. So let's get into the video. Gamze, can you just see it? We should get into the full screen. Once again, guys, we're just using a website to watch it together at the same time. That's it. Can you just enter the full screen, Gamze? Not full screen. Can you enter it?
I'm doing.
No, don't play it. You need to just enter the full screen. Wait, guys, once again.
Okay.
Full screen. Yeah, I got it.
Screen.
You see it? Okay, guys. Let's go.
Yeah.
Wow. Amazing. Yeah.
She looks stunning.
Oh, it's gonna be story driven, just like Pachataoge.
Wow. Yeah, I told you.
Oh, what a voice. Usually Nora and Neha Kakkar voice are just like literally gave so much hits. Dilbar, Osaki Saki, all those are like Neha Kakkar voice. But this one is something a new singer called Parampara Tandon. I don't know who that singer is, but when I tried to search Parampara, the voice India little girl came. I don't know if that's a new singer, but anyways, let's check it out. Her voice is good so far.
She looks so beautiful.
Okay, she is like watching this guy.
Wow. Look at this.
Voice is amazing. Okay.
So beautiful.
Yes.
was amazing to dance.
Hey, it's wow, it's Delhi. It's Delhi.
Wow, she's stunning.
Why she is watching him? What's the reason? We're gonna know at the very end. But the girl voice is so amazing. Yeah, something like that.
Revenge.
And Gamze, voice, the singer voice is so amazing, right? Singer voice.
Yeah, I
New
love
singer.
her a lot. I just check her Instagram.
Yeah, singer
She's
voice is nice.
nice.
Good.
Seriously.
Hey, dance moves.
Hey, I love
Oh,
this
don't even have to
vibe.
say Nora kills the dance moves.
Playing it. Hey,
Okay.
hey,
Also
hey,
dance-
hey,
I mean,
she
her outfit is good.
amazing.
Okay, he finally
Yeah,
spoke to
the
her
yellow
and tried to
black
console.
things are- Hey,
Either way, she's having something in the mind while seeing him.
she looks so cute.
Wow, that's amazing. Okay. Oh my god, look at this outfit. Did you see
What's
that? Yeah,
going on? What's will
yeah, no,
happen?
I also
What
don't
do
know,
you
but I
think?
want to see the outfit. See this
What do you
outfit.
think?
Wait, once again. Before, wait.
Yeah, she's stunning.
This outfit,
The
wait.
hat
What happened?
channel. I love
Yeah,
this
once
a lot.
again. Yeah, this outfit. Can you just see? This outfit is amazing, guys.
Yeah,
Wow,
I'm seeing. Yeah,
they're having fun.
something coming big at the
Yeah.
end.
Let's see.
Do you know that? She's killing. Hey, look at her looks full of
Yeah.
revenge.
Also, I'm just
look.
loving the singer's voice, Gamze.
Hey, she's so beautiful. Yeah.
Hey, oh my god.
Hey.
This is the catchy
Her
part.
look
Did you
is
get it?
amazing.
Oh my god, this is so catchy. It's
Yeah.
not like too much of melody or it's like not too much energetic. It's something in between. I feel like that.
Yeah. Yeah, cool. I love it.
Amazing. It's good
nice.
for Nora.
This
Some new
one
singer.
also
Let's go.
will help. Yeah.
Oh. Mood denge.
Hey, look
Oh my
at
god,
this.
she with the.
Oh,
What are you gonna. What's she gonna do?
yeah.
She gonna lock him up?
Revenge, but
What is.
full of revenge. I just see.
I'm loving the singer's voice. Oh shit. I know. I love as much the singer's voice as much I love Nora. I mean, the singer voice is amazing. Shout out to Parampara Thandon. I don't know the singer's voice, and also there is another singer.
Yeah.
There is another singer
Amazing
comes there.
job,
There's another singer. The
absolutely.
title Sachet Parampara. There are both two Paramparas. I guess. I don't know the
But we
new. They're new.
I don't know, yeah. I think the singer is
Yeah.
Sachit Parampara.
But voice is amazing. Oh my god, she's locking up.
It's stunning.
She's locking.
Hey.
She's locking him up.
Hey.
What's she gonna do? She gonna kill? She gonna kill him? Oh,
I don't know.
this the. Oh my god.
If
Wait,
she
Gamze.
kill him,
This is
I
the
will be
exact
shocked.
picture where I
Yeah.
just thought it's like it looks like you. Yeah.
Look at guys.
No, I don't know.
It
Maybe in the
looks like
photos, some photos. Yeah,
Do
guys.
comments.
Just go check her Instagram
comments,
photos
okay?
and come back,
I
guys.
am here. No
Especially
need to
your
photos.
nose.
Okay, do comments. Am I
Yeah,
looks like
you look
or
like.
not? Let's see.
You
what
are
you
Nora's sister. I
guys
know.
will say.
You are hiding it, right?
Okay, contain. I'm so much
Okay, let's go.
wondering.
What's she gonna do? What is that?
Oh shit. We will know now. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
So
With
beautiful.
all the ornaments, with the necklace. What did she do?
This
What is that?
looks of her reaction. Hey, people burn him.
Oh, he killed someone. Hey, Gamsa, you got it? Wait. I got it. I got the
to
story. The
her
thing
before.
is, she came in contact with him. She loved. I mean, they began to love each other. But the reason behind what to say her love is,
Yeah.
her friend or sister, somewhat Nora's sister. As per this story,
Not she was she. He burnt Nora
no.
before.
How
Don't you
can
get
you?
that?
How can
I
she
get
come
it.
back? How can she
She
come back?
burned
No, it's
Nora
not Nora.
before.
It's someone friend. Wait.
You will see. I'm seeing
Wait,
Nora.
they will-
She
see,
burnt
that's not Nora,
He
see.
burnt Nora.
That's
This
Nora.
is Nora. That's Nora. Let's
Guys.
see.
Oh my God, that's not Nora. I think it's Nora friend or sister, something like that. Oh shit.
He burned. Nora looks so beautiful. Look! I told you.
Did you saw the video before? You're cheating me, right? You are cheating me. You are cheating me. You saw the
No.
video before.
No.
Don't lie. You saw the
No.
video, alright? Did you saw the
No.
video?
But I told you, like it was there. It looks like dead already. How you?
I don't know. I
get
didn't expect
another?
that at the very moment. Okay, that's the reason I said. Guys, that was freaking amazing, and I didn't still, Gamza, I didn't believe you. I think you probably saw the music video. Don't lie.
Maybe.
Yeah, I
don't
got
know.
you.
It's Nora's
I got you.
fault.
I got you. I got you.
A
So it
little.
seems you saw.
What I can do. It's not
Okay,
my
okay, no
fault.
worries. What's your thoughts?
You made
I
me
think
so late. That's
what I
why.
just thought is, it's not that much
I-
of an energetic music video, just like Dilbar,
Yeah.
Ro Sagi Sagi, something like
Not
that,
like
or it's
old
not like
songs.
too melodious, so sad, like Pachata, okay, but it's something in between. I liked it. Somewhat good. The singer voice made it even more beautiful with Nora's beautiful ornaments, with her looks and all that. What's your thoughts, Gamze?
I love the videography of the video, and Nora's looks are amazing, stunning. Like they are
As always,
really, really nice. 100%
Even when I reacted
nice
to
shoots.
Nora's, the song which she released, Pepata. Do you know Pepata? Pepata. She released a song. Pepata. Yeah, I reacted to the song. Nora herself
Oh,
commented in my
Pepata.
reaction video, so she might be watching. So who knows? Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, guys.
Let's see. If you are
We love
watching
you.
Nora, comment.
No, we love you.
Everyone
We love you.
comment, like,
Okay,
subscribe.
yeah, that was a fun
We love
reaction
you,
and
man.
I had
Yeah.
good time. Gamze, you're welcome. Thanks for joining the reaction video and I hope you had a good time.
Thank you. I had a good time.
And
of course. Thank you
and maybe
for
next time, I don't know,
making
guys.
me
If you
feel-
guys let me know in the comment down below, should we have to do more videos like this? If you guys really enjoyed, I will try to just like.
If MWay put video, of course.
Yeah,
I will
that's. Hey, I forgot that. We can do a
Speak up.
Amy reactions. Why not? Yeah, guys, let us know because she's a crazy fan of Amy.
Yeah, of
She's a
course
crazy fan of
we'll do.
Amy.
Yeah, if MWay is there, I'm there.
Yeah,
of
just like
course, guys.
let us know, guys. Definitely, thanks to Gamze, and we will do more videos like this whenever, like weekends or something, whenever we are free and we are
Thank
both
you.
are able to do it. Thanks for joining again, guys. Go check out yourself. Go check out her Instagram. Basically, she is like active in Instagram. Show some love to her. She does covers, basically more covers. Especially she does indie raps mostly. So go check it out, show some love to her, follow her on Instagram. Also check her channel out. Also she will comment, I will pin it down the comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed our reaction. Do let us know our thoughts and Gamze. We had a good time, so let's sign off and let's say thank you. And it's like in Turkish, so she is
Yeah.
Turkish, guys. So you live in Istanbul, right? Yeah, she
Yeah,
lives
I'm
in
living in
Istanbul.
Istanbul.
So let's say thank you, thanks some for watching. Thank you guys for watching our reaction. Teşekkür ederim. Teşekkür
Thank you
ederim.
guys.
Teşekkür ederim.
Thanks for
Dhanyavad.
watching.
Teşekkür ederim. Yeah, guys, that's pretty. Yeah.
See you next.
Good night. Good night. Happy have a happy married life.
Bye bye.
Okay, that's pretty much it, guys. With being said, we just gonna end this video right here. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, we're just signing off and bye bye.